Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to set up and manage return rules and policies in Shopify. So here I am in my Shopify dashboard, and in order to set up and manage the return rules and policies, we need to change it in the settings. So from here, just click settings right here on the sidebar, and then scroll down and then go to policies. So from here, we have the return and refund policy right here. So you can just click on it and then you can go ahead and type in here your return and refund policy. So if you already have your details right here for your return and refund policy, you can just go ahead and copy paste. But if you don't have one yet, you can use the template right here that is provided by Shopify. So just click insert template, and then right away you will have this template right here for your return and refund policy. So what you can do is that you can just customize this template according to your details. And then after you are done, you can now go ahead and click publish. So from here, we need to set up the return rules. So right now, I don't have any rules for returning an item. So now we can customize it. So just click manage, and then we can customize the details right here. So for the return window, so this is the amount of days that the customer has if they want to return a item that they just bought. So you can also click learn more right here if you want to learn more about the different policies right here for the return window, and then for other questions right here. And then let's just go back, and then you can specify your return window to 14 days, which is 2 weeks, 30 days, which is 1 month, 90 days, which is 3 months. You can also specify an unlimited number of days, or you can also set custom days right here. So for example, 100, or for example, 365, which is 1 year. So it depends on your preference. So for example, I want to choose 30 days. So that means I can have like a 30-day money back guarantee to my customers, or like a 30-day window. So for the return shipping cost, you can specify if the customer provides the return shipping. So for example, the customer will just choose the specific return method, or like the delivery method that they want to use for returning an item. You can also offer free return shipping, or you can also have a flat rate return shipping. So for example, 50 pesos or like $50 for returning an item. So it depends on your preference. So I'll just choose a free return shipping, and then you can also charge a restocking fee. So I'll just turn this off. And then for final sale item, so that means that if you have a final sale item, that means that the customer cannot avail of the refund or the return policy. So you can specify specific collections or products right here. So for example, for my final sale product, I'll choose like a ball pen. So that means if the customer orders a ball pen, they cannot avail the return policy. So if you are finished customizing the rules right here, you can now click save, and then that is it. We now have our return rules and then our return and refund policy. So that is it. That is how we can set up and manage the return rules and policies in Shopify. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.